It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 49 Commodore Avenue, Unit 3, Providence, Rhode Island. It's a newly renovated third floor, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Starting a video tour right when you walk in. Got your kitchen area here, state-of-the-art gas stove, plenty of closet space, refrigerator. Over here to my left, you got bedroom number 1, big enough for a queen set. Bedroom number 2 right next door, also could fit a queen set. Got your little galley kitchen area here, sink and little cabinet space. Large living area here. Plenty of room for good sized furniture. Big closet there. Got your front entrance. Bathroom with a shower. No tub and a vanity. Then you get bedroom number 3, also to fit a queen set. I'd like to apply for 49 Commodore Ave, Unit 3, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that apply now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.